Hey, what's up YouTube? Last video you saw actually making this key to this W164 Mercedes EIS. And you see the key works beautifully. And this video I'm going to show you how to actually erase this key, because it's just a EIS I got laying around to mess around with, so I don't need the key for it. So we're going to go ahead and actually erase it. So what we'll do here is we're going to go ahead and just put it into the IR reader on the tool, the emo programming, and I'm going to go to Benz. Select from system, and I'm going to do a read write key, and read write key via IR. We'll start. I'm just going to go ahead and just read the key real quick, just so you can see the data on it. And it actually just shows us that it's key number 8 in the system, and that it's been used 6 times. And just hit OK. And now we actually are going to go ahead and hit erase the BE key. It tells us to put it in. It's already in. And key is now erased. So now if we read it again, it's just going to be a blank key. As you can see right there. And when we put it into our EIS, it's no longer going to work, because now it's no longer programmed. So that's how you erase a Mercedes key with the Key Tool Plus. And I know, quick video. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.